After watching people deliciously eat them in K-drama and Korean variety shows, I really wanted to try the Korean fish cake skewers. I didn't find a food stall selling them during my short trip to Seoul, so I tried making them at my own home. First, peel a white radish and cut it in large pieces. Afterwards, cut it in halves and cut slices of about the width of a finger. Take the amount of Korean fish cake slices that you're going to eat. Fold it in half and put it through a skewer in a zigzag shape. Don't make the same mistake as me and let the fish cake fully defrost beforehand. I didn't do it and it keeps breaking apart whenever I try to bend it. First, boil the white radish until they soften. To make the soup taste better, I added dried mini shrimp, dried scallops, and minced garlic. Add a bag of dashi powder. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add the fish cake skewers. Make sure that they are covered by the soup. Push them down with a spoon if necessary. Add a handful of chopped scallions.